The elephant is one of the largest and most intelligent land animals, characterized by its massive body, large ears, and long trunk, which it uses in many ways, such as eating, drinking, and exploring its surroundings. There are two main types of elephants, the African elephant and the Asian elephant, each with its own distinctive characteristics. The African elephant is the largest of the two species and lives in savannas and rainforests. Its ears are large and help it dissipate heat in hot climates. The Asian elephant is somewhat smaller and lives in the forests and grasslands of South and Southeast Asia. Asian elephants are characterized by their shorter trunks and smaller ears compared to their African relatives. Elephants live in strong family groups led by the eldest female, the matriarch. This social structure helps them protect and care for their young and provide the resources they need to survive. Elephants are known for their emotional intelligence and ability to learn and use tools. Elephants exhibit behaviors such as mourning the death of group members and celebrating the birth of new individuals. Elephants also play a vital role in the ecosystem. Through their feeding and migration behaviors, they contribute to the formation of forests and the distribution of plant seeds. Unfortunately, elephants face major threats such as habitat loss and poaching for ivory, making it necessary to intensify efforts to protect them and preserve their natural environments.